So I have tried to use only my Worx. This Landroid is really garbage. I mean, it's pretty dry out now. It rained earlier, and I set it to go cut. Now you see, I think this grass maybe is about an inch higher than the 3.5 inch cut limit, whatever I have the mower set to. And it continually just gives me E48 wheel stuck. Some type of assistance is needed. There's not really any assistance needed, which is the problem. All I do is press a button on here. Why can this not be done via the app? Or why can I not go ahead and drive it back and forth? Even on the limo, if I know it's stuck, I can be 100 feet away from it, jump in there and be like, all right, let's see what's going on, and then back it up and see what happens. If it's stuck, it's stuck. This keeps saying it's idle. Start, okay. Start, okay. I think this resumes the whatever map. And that's the thing. All right, so it's going now. It said it was stuck and assistance was needed. Don't know why. It just can't kind of cut its way out. I have the blades the highest setting. It's having trouble. Come on, I can help you up the hill, buddy. Or why don't you figure out how to go down the hill, cut this, and then go back up? Why do you have this concern that you need to cut up the hill? Just go cut where you need to cut. It's making its way up there. It's probably still a little wet, right? I have on my rain boots, but it's not like it's pouring. You see evidence by these blocks that are pretty much dried out. Now it's starting to tear up the grass here. This is really disappointing. My E18 did not have any of these issues. And this thing is even less reliable than the E18. As you can see, as evidenced by, I'll show you the maps, but it's cutting. It gets close, but it doesn't get everything on the edge. So it really defeats purpose. Cut to edge, still leaves a good inch left, and kind of the same. And I'll go do another check in about a week's time or so. I did weed whacking about a week ago, and it's still growing everywhere. Great. My limo can cut here. The limo can probably get up to the same juncture. So now it's spent the last 2 minutes trying to climb up the hill. Why? I pressed the button to cut all of my yard, and you see it has got some patches. I don't even know what happened here. Looks like I got stuck. I mean, I really can't tell you what the mower was thinking from its software. I mean, this thing just sucks. And then look, it's leaving behind all these clippings. It's like, come on, man. I'm gonna have to take my ride-on mower and use the bagger and get rid of all this crap. The limo never does this. It'll just chew everything up. What a difference. Totally spoiled with that thing. However, I was gonna try this. Just gonna give it a go. As I said, I would be fair and evaluate it like it should be. It's just, unless this thing is a perfect flat lawn that's maintained every day, it's just not going to work. And it continually has issues. I think I've had to come outside like 3 or 4 times today. And this is 3 minutes now. Still trying to find its way up the hill. Great. Why are you going up the hill? Just cut down here. It made a giant mess over here, cut like half of it. The map looks like an utter disaster. And so is my lawn. I mean, this looks horrible. As soon as it's finished, I'm going to have to send it back down here again and take, 2 days. It's not cutting this in 1 day. I started that yesterday, and here I am. I even have the light. I invested in the light down there. Cut at night, like 24/7, let's go. It still is just driving around, not really getting anywhere. This front-wheel drive is a horrible design. Even if I had the all-wheel drive, it doesn't get close enough. At the end of the day, that's kind of where I'm at. I mean, follow the border here. This is 1 week after I weed whacked and gave it a really fresh, clean slate. I mapped directly over here. Didn't get anything. And it's even worse on this side. I've always mapped directly up to the edge. I have the smart edge, or whatever you want to call it, on. It's bad. Oh, hold on. Is it going to start cutting, finally? I don't understand why it decided to go up here. Before it was just doing paths like this. Now it's here. Great. cut. Can't even get anywhere. I mean, it's cutting, but it's rough. You're going to turn off the blades. Why? You have to go somewhere. I mean, my E18, we just plow through things. And again, this is part of the comprehensive review. Boy, why I like and why I dislike this Worx even more every day that I have it. I honestly, I gave it a fair shot from day one. You know, I had this guy, Matt's Robotics, and he's really hyping this thing up, and I was hopeful. I was, I mean, his yard isn't the same as mine, and I get he has the all-wheel drive model, but, I mean, I need something that truly is cut to zero for all those edges, and you see it's starting to accumulate. I wanted something to get behind there, behind the garden. It can go maybe 3 or 4 feet. Then it turns around. It cannot progress any further, even though I can map the entirety of the garden. What are you doing here? Just start cutting. Why are you driving around? Just stuck. So in 6 minutes, it's cut for maybe 30 seconds. This is the wonderful nature of the mapping. I have no words for. I mean, I thought my Eufy cut very little. The Eufy would just stop and think about what it's doing, but its blades always be running. This thing decides to shut off its blades constantly. It's like, nope, I'm just gonna. You could have cut all this in the time you spent backing around. I mean, this is probably the nail in the coffin. You know, because I think I cut this maybe 4 days ago. And I was cutting at 3.4 or 3.5 on my limo. I've always have maintained the top, as you see here. This looks pretty good. You know, it's a small zone. You can cut it quickly. But at the same time, you know, it takes a lot longer to cut this. And this is a half-acre range, this robot. This is, I think, 0.3 of the 0.5 it has. So it's, what, 66% capacity. And I was just sitting here, thinking about what to do. Hasn't done anything yet. Let me guess, you got some error on there, bud? What are you doing? This thing, man, so frustrating. If I try to move it, it gives me an error. It's gonna pop up and like, yes, you're stuck. How about you go down the hill and cut somewhere down there, and then you gradually cut your way up the hill? You know, that would make sense. I know you can see angles with your V-Slam and whatever else. Go back where you were cutting over there. How did you make your way up here? Why are you going here? Come on. This is just so idiotic. I mean, how was Worx in business for all these years? And this mower is this piss poor. You have other entrants to the market that come here and just blow it away. It's all the same price. Right around, what, $1,500, $1,600. This was on sale, and still, I'd never, ever buy one. I wouldn't recommend anyone to buy one of these. 8.5 minutes into this video, and we have made 30 seconds of cutting and 8 minutes of just failures, indecisiveness, frankly, just clueless behavior. And if this grows any further, this isn't going to cut it. I have to go get my riding mower, and that defeats the whole purpose of having one of these. And this isn't like knee-high grass. This may be 4.5 inches tops. It cut through here, so I would assume it can continue cutting. Come on. What did it look and see that the grass is of... Come on. Let's see how far it cuts before it gets confused, nervous, anxious, just out of its league. It's like it wants to play with the big boys, and it's like, nah, I'm just going to beep, 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 and not go anywhere. This thing on flat ground would be so much better. They should not advertise, because this slope is, I think, maybe 15, 16 degrees. It's not the maximum. Whatever they sell it as. Oh, now it's stopped. Don't know why, because the grass is not high here. Hasn't gotten stuck. Just pathetic. May try another mower next, but oh boy, I'll give it another week at this point. So I will revisit this same video a week from now, and you'll see how this. I'm not going to weed whack. I'm going to see, can this maintain my backyard without using my limo, and then secondly, can it handle the edges, which we see it can, and it gets worse and worse as it tries to. Like it cannot get up this hill. It gets stuck here every single time. It's having difficulty even cutting here. It's just continuing. It's been in place now for 2 minutes straight. Come on, dude. Where are you going? Back and forth. Okay. Why do you keep shutting off your blades? I just don't get it. Why? Probably would be quicker if you would cut your way up the hill. This is sad. I'm going inside. I can't waste any more time. 12 minutes of my day for maybe 2 minutes of cutting. Whoa, whoop-de-doo. Landroid, Worx, you have been given a big thumbs down. I'll be back in a week to assess what you've done. I'm sure I'll have countless times. I'm outside 3, 4, sometimes 5 times a day to fix and press buttons that I could do through my phone. So, no words, just very, very poor solution and disappointed.